Welcome back to this graphic design course using Canva. After the overview, after going through the site and all that, you have to create an account. This would enable you to save your projects, save your works so that you can come back and edit them anytime you want, and also to store some information about your designs. So just click the sign up button, and then you have various options. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with email, but I suggest you continue with email. Either you use this or use this. This gets connected to your Google account automatically. That's if you are using Gmail. But if you have Yahoo Mail and Hotmail or other mails, you can use this third option. So let me just continue with my email. Once you get to this point, you select the email you want to use to create the account, and you'll be redirected to the graphic dashboard. Once you get to the dashboard, you have to go through your settings, and you will see different settings and different options you have to choose. You can select a profile picture, you can edit your name, you can also set up your security, email preferences, and you can also add someone else to your page. When you add someone else to your page, it helps your team to work together using the same account. So when you invite someone to the page, you can invite multiple people to the page. So if you have like a team that are working on something, you can invite multiple people so that they can edit the work wherever they are. So that's it for creating an account. You can also log out if you want, but I wouldn't recommend that since you're the person using your phone. Now, if you want to log in, you just need to click the login tab, and you still select this as the login method. So that's it for getting started. So from the next video, we're going to be proceeding to the next course outline.